Hey guys, welcome to a video where today I'm gonna be making clear jiggly slime, and I have actually never made clear jiggly slime like with clear glue. I've only made it with white glue, so I'm really excited to do these. And if you guys have already done it, then I hope you enjoy the video. So what you guys will be needing is some slime activated. I'm using borax and water, and there will be a link down below on how I made these. You will also be needing, of course, clear glue, and if you want color in your slime, you can use food coloring or paint. You will also be needing something to mix in and something to mix with. I'm using a fork. So the first thing you want to do is put in as much glue as you want, and then add in your food coloring if you want. This part is absolutely optional. And keep in mind that your slime will get bigger with the water, so just keep that in mind. So then just activate your slime. If you guys don't know how to make slime yet, you basically just put in your activator little by little until it starts to clump up and it does not stick to your hands anymore. So once you're done, just knead it. And mine turned out like this. Don't freak out if your slime is stiff, because it will get fixed later. So what you basically want to do is add in some water little by little and just mix it all up. So here is how mine turned out. The more water you put in, the more jigglier it will get and the bigger it will get. So mine didn't need activated, but if yours needs activated, you can definitely add it. So mine was not jiggly enough, so I added in more water, and just keep adding as much water as you want until it gets to the consistency you like it. Just make sure not to add in too much, because it could ruin your slime and your slime could turn into water. And if your slime gets sticky, just add in more activated and just continue the process. This is how mine turned out. I'm sorry for my hands being dirty like with slime, but I hope you enjoyed the ASMR. Okay guys, so I left this out in an airtight container for 2 days, and you guys, this went clear in like 1 day because it has water. It went clear so fast, but I left it out for 2 days, so yeah, enjoy the ASMR. guys, so I really love this slime so much. It is so much fun to play with, and it's way better than white glue jiggly slime because it just has a different texture and it goes clear also really quick. And I also love this color, but you guys can make any other color that you want. And a different thing about it is it actually smells like water, and you guys might be thinking like, how can something smell like water? Water doesn't smell like anything. But it just smells like kind of like the pool or something because it has a lot of water. So I don't know why, but anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.